What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over the insanity that is the FOMO that the market is feeling in these small caps. These stocks are just going insane. Alright guys, let's jump right on into this. Right now RWLK has gone insane. Look at this move, guys. It opened up and basically sold off, traded sideways a little bit, then sold off, and now look at this U shape right here. An entry down here at 320, even 330s would have been awesome. Adding on the VWAP break. Look at that. Golly, missed that one. Well, today I took two trades, and both of them were on ELTK, which was on my watch list. I actually tweeted about it, which you can follow me there on Twitter. The link is in the description section below, and I also had it on my watch list on StockTwits. There you go. Can you see it? There you go. My StockTwits is down in the description below as well. You can follow me there. Remember to subscribe to the channel. And this stock went absolutely insane. I mean, honestly, I didn't expect it to go as high as it did. This thing is being a monster today, and right now it's right back at $6 and change. You can see here that it got halted right up here near $7, gapped down, hit $5, and actually made a U-shape all the way back up here right in front of the previous halt price, which that's an insane move, to be honest with you. But I did trade it. Maybe I shouldn't even be doing this recap right now, and I should be watching this, but I did trade it this morning. Sold too early, which kind of, well, definitely made me go from probably having a $300 day to about a $100 day. But hey, I'm happy because yesterday I had a very big day. So traditionally what happens to me is on the next day, I push a little bit too hard and I end up in the red. And today I came in with the mindset that I was just looking to book a green day, have a nice, $100 day, and be okay with that. I didn't want to come in thinking I was going to make thousands of dollars today or anything like that, because usually when I come in with that mindset, I have a bad red day. So I'm super stoked. $100 in the bank, to add to yesterday's big win. So I'm happy in the way my May is shaping out. So today I was watching it in here. There we go. And I thought about buying one of these candles when VWAP showed resistance and putting my stop loss down here at the low of the day. But just buying like a starter position, maybe 250, 500 shares, and then add on the VWAP break. However, I felt it risky. I take that setup all the time. But today I wanted to be extra careful, extra conservative. Coming off the back of a big green day again, I did not want to fall into my old ways and have a horrible red day. So I played it conservative. I waited and waited. Almost bought this candle here in front of the VWAP. Did not buy it. Then we had this candle, and I bought, but sadly sold, all in that one candle. I do have these trades live, and I am going to show them to you. Let's get through this. High of the day at the time was around here, 319, 318, I believe it was. So I thought I would, buy this VWAP break and then sell over $3. However, it kind of stalled a little bit around 305, 303, 304 area, and I guess it spooked me. I just sold out of the position there. And I made profit. Not going to be upset about it. I made profit. It was a green trade. But look at what happens right afterwards. We start to hold VWAP. This volume increased very nicely, which if I would have stayed in the trade longer, I should have noticed that. And I would have stayed in there with my stop under VWAP. Look at that. Right to 350. So I would have looked to definitely be flat by 350. However, with my entry at 285, I believe it was, I'll show you my orders here in a second, getting flat, between 320 and 350 would have been ideal. It would have been a freaking home run trade. This caught me off guard. I didn't expect that we were just going to squeeze really quickly to $3. So I didn't even get to add to my position. I took my starter. I should have you know, held on, maybe added here when VWAP held again, or added here as we began to break over the high of this candle. Many things I could have done that I knew to do and I didn't do because I got flat right here because I wasn't patient. This stock continued to squeeze and made a huge, absolutely huge move. And as you can see here, check it out. Let's see here. Okay, so we break over $3 and we go to 350, right? Actually 360 something. We break over $4, we go to 430. We get halted, we hold 4. I thought about buying this $4 area with a stop just underneath $4, but it was just price action. I tend not to trade price action, even though my next trade is price action trade. I tend not to trade price action. I tend to trade the chart. And I didn't have anything up here to show me that this was going to be another layer of support other than price action. Had I had the 9 EMA up here, maybe I would have taken the trade because I would have had price action and the 9 EMA. But I didn't. Then I saw, you know, we began to hold this 430 area, which was the previous, you know, halt price here. And I like to take those trades, but I didn't take that one either. And look at it squeeze. $5, breaks out of $5, goes straight to 550. At that point, I'm like, damn it, I've missed everything. But I won't miss another breakout, I said to myself. So I diminished my size down to just 250 shares. And I took a scalp trade on the $6 break, which turned out to be really good. Patted the wallet on the day, gave me my $100 day at that point, you know, between both trades. So I was stoked and I was done on it. However, it continued to go all the way up to 686 high a day. Can't make this stuff up. Then it halted, gapped down, held $5, and here we are right now holding this 9 EMA area. We'll see what it does. I'm pretty much done on the day. I'm really happy with my trade. Let me get you, I didn't get to record the scalp trade over $6 because it was so quick, but I will show you my orders. As a matter of fact, let me bring my orders over right now before I show you the recording of the trades. Why can I not? Oh, here we go. So here, whoops. Here is my first buy, $2.84. Exited at $2.97. That's horrible. Buy 611, exited 628, much better, but much smaller size because it was a scalp trade and the stock was already up tremendously. There it is. That's what I did today. Just those two trades. I'm happy in that those two trades are green trades and I'm sitting nice on the week and on the month. Here is the recording. What's great about this trade here is I was actually over at Trading Monkeys live stream this morning. And they traded this at open. And right before I left, I told them, guys, you know, sit tight, put on a bigger time frame, 3-minute, 5-minute candles, and watch for a high volume break over VWAP. That'll be the trigger for the trade. And then I told them I had to leave because I can't be in chat actively like that or listening to somebody else actively and trade, you know. So I had to leave the chat and just focus on my trading. So guys, I hope you took advantage of that. Trading Monkey, did you catch it, man? I hope you did. That VWAP break was money right there. So I'm in here, VWAP break, you know, and it's a short trade. It didn't last too long. See, I'm up there. I was up at $122 for a second there. You know, we kind of like stall. See how we're stalling right in front of the high day, kind of, and the volume is increasing, but it's not dramatic just yet. So I closed it out. There it is. I'm gone. I closed out the trade. But then the volume, see, I'm in there, and then I see that action, and it spooks me. I close it out. It shouldn't have spooked me. That was bad trading. That was just me knowing that the day after a big day, I tend to go red, and I had that in the back of my mind, and I didn't want it to happen, so that's the only reason it spooked me. I had zero reason to sell that order there. VWAP was my entry, and at that point, VWAP should have been my line in the sand, and it would have been a safe, extremely safe trade. You can see here, watch, volume will start to increase dramatically. See, look at that. It is what it is, guys. You know, it is what it is. Nice green day. I'm not going to complain about that. At the same time, we had, this was also in the back of my mind, SOLY had been halted and resumed. So I was thinking that maybe this volume would dry up and people would come back over to SOLY since it had made such a huge move. already, you know, from 20 bucks all the way to $27. So I played it safe. I played it ultra safe today. I always play it safe. Today I played it ultra safe, and it caused me to leave probably an extra couple $100 on the table. I'm not going to be mad about it. I'm not going to be, you know, all pissy about it. I'm happy. Nice, solid green day. Base hits, you know, win games. So that was it for me today. How did you do? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section below. Did you catch a piece of this giant move on ELTK? Or did you catch a piece of SOLY? What did you trade? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know. I hope you're having an excellent start to your morning. And I'll catch you on the next one.